Let me introduce you to the ultimate flavor booster, a versatile fermented black bean sauce that transforms simple ingredients into steamed masterpieces. This is one of those foundational recipes that belongs in every home cook's arsenal. Start with 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and a teaspoon of chopped chilies for gentle heat. The start heat is 3 tablespoons of fermented black beans, that deep savory umami that forms the soul of this sauce. A tablespoon of oil helps carry all those flavors. Give it a good stir and microwave on high for 4 minutes. This quick blast wakes up all the aromatics and melts them together beautifully. Finish with a teaspoon of sugar to balance the saltiness, a pinch of MSG for that extra flavor dimension, optional but recommended, and a tablespoon of light wine sauce. Stir it into a cohesive, fragrant paste that will make your kitchen smell incredible. Now the magic begins. Toast chicken wings in this sauce and steam for 10 minutes. The result is fall off the bone, tender meat infused with deep complex flavors. Try it with ribs for an even richer experience, or with vegetables like cauliflower that soak up the sauce perfectly. Even simple steamed agasta becomes extraordinary. One top with this magical mixture. This isn't just a sauce, it's a transformation. The black beans provide that fundamental savory depth, while the garlic and chili create layers of aroma that elevate everything from meats to vegetables to simple tofu.